everyone and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to do a review and test with my HP Compaq nc4400, and yeah, without any wasting time, okay, let's do a review and test. Let's go. Alright, on the front of this laptop we got the latch button, on the right side got the 4 indicator lights. On the left side, you've got the headphone jack, microphone jack, USB 2.0, MMC SD card slot, and the PCMCIA card reader. On the back of this laptop, there is another USB 2.0, telephone jack, Wi-Fi jack, charging port, VGA, S-Video TV out. However, there is a non-visible amount of crack on the left hinge cover, which I glue it back together. I mean, a bit of it fell off. On the right side of this laptop, we got a locking thing, exhaust fan, Wi-Fi button, USB 2.0, notification button, sliding power on, and a speaker. Here's the top of this laptop looks like. After I flip open the screen, there is an exhaust fan again, volume buttons, and a random button, a warning sign, a logo, Compaq nc4400, Intel Centrino Duo, Windows XP, left click and double click twice, IBM track point, IBM keyboard, and a microphone. On the screen there is a fingerprint scanner, 4:3 aspect ratio monitor, latch system. Here's a free Windows XP Professional product key. And lastly, here's the bottom of this laptop looks like. Sorry because the image is a little bit of blur because my Sony CX405 kind of be like a bit glitchy when I'm taking this photo. Okay, let's power on this laptop. Wow, what a nostalgic Windows startup sound. I love that sound. In case if you're wondering, here's the laptop's specifications. The first thing I want to do in this laptop is the YouTube playback. The YouTube playback maxed out with 480p video quality. It can't go higher than that. If you try to go to 720p, the video will be lagged and the laptop will overheat. After that, a keyboard test. Not even joking, this is one of the best keyboard I've ever typed on a laptop. Very impressive for an IBM keyboard back in the day. Okay, let's do a gameplay. This laptop really do a great job at running GTA 3. It runs on perfectly well, playable, and yeah, no stutter at all. And then I'm going to run GTA Vice City. I want to say GTA Vice City run as well as good as GTA 3. So yeah, no problem at all. Here is my childhood game, Roblox. Sadly, Roblox is no longer playable in this old laptop. So here comes the conclusion. Should you get this laptop? The HP Compaq nc4400. My opinion is you should not get this laptop. It's because yeah, the looks is very nice. It's got a very good keyboard. I want to be honest. This laptop is very old and pretty much a lot of games do not run perfectly in this laptop. This laptop only be able to run older games. Um, the price in this the price for this laptop is not cheap as well. You can get it around $80, $100, $160, and most expensive, like me, is $200. Um, yeah, I don't know. It's up to you. Well, yeah. So I think this is all about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here, and yeah, because it really helps me out a lot for me to grow my channel and pretty much for me to get a little bit of a revenue, especially with me because I'm addicted to buying old laptops. Well, okay, I think this is all about. So I think this is all about it for this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.